Morning in a very soggy Ludlow. It is day 4 and we are heading up to Haydock Park, which is the closest that I want to get to Manchester, so almost kind of going near home, not really near home, but yeah, you can see everyone is queuing up to go. Everyone has got their waterproofs on, shoe covers on. I can't hear myself think with that going on. Let's come this way. I feel so much better than yesterday. I felt rough, so I've been drinking loads of water and just taking care of myself a little bit better. I had a good night's kit. I actually really like sleeping in a tent. I feel like I sleep really well. So 170k today, pretty flat. So fingers crossed, the weather gods look after us and make sure it doesn't rain, because I don't want rain. Please no rain. It's raining, so main camera's away and on the GoPro, so sorry if the sound's not ideal, but this is all I got. Fingers crossed it doesn't get really heavy rain and handle this drizzle. Well, it is what it is, we have to ride in it, don't we? Ain't got no choice. So we've just stopped off. It is wet through. We are all so drenched, and just chatting to this guy and I'm just like, oh, I can't get my arms on it, I'm really soggy. And look what he's brought with him.
Toothbrush.
Why? Why?
No idea. So such is life anyway.
You say you got muddled up and brought...
Yeah, I forgot my helmet, brought toothbrush.
Well, you got your helmet? Oh, you had to go back for it?
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
I know, that's on the other side. I've got a load of other things.
It's going to get a bit dirty.
I know, it is, isn't it? Wait, if you want to clean your teeth.
I'm coming to you. It's not a fun day. That was so cold. It was cold and cold, and then it got wet, and then it got even colder, and then it got a little bit wetter, and then it dried off. So we're just gonna have a little bit of food, but everyone is just absolutely just covered in dirt and just grime, and just everyone's legs are like completely just covered in muck. But I'm very hopeful that that is the end of the rain and it's going to get dry. It's Aaron.
Yeah.
Just want to show how muddy it has been. Do you feel muddy?
It's been a tough day. I've got cow muck in my eye. In both eyes. I've got cow muck in my hair. Well, I haven't got any hair. I have cow muck where my hair would be. Got cow muck pretty much everywhere.
How is she like so clean?
Because I've had another layer on.
Oh,
over the top.
I was going to say turn around.
No, this is the clean one.
Oh God.
So the rest of me was like this before I started.
God, I love it. How's the hat? Turn around the helmet. Have a look. Oh yeah. Oh my God, look how dirty you are. That is how bad it's been today. If it's dry now.
But today is laundry day.
Dry.
Today's laundry day as well.
Today's
so I'm
a
a
good
happy
day.
man.
Today's a good day. And it's dry.
So far. It's going to rain for the next 6 days, the 5 days.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Is.
You're winding me. Shut up. I don't believe you. Is it?
I don't know.
Oh, that's good.
I'm not looking that far ahead.
No, don't.
No, I'm
don't
looking
do
at
it.
today.
So the nicest thing just happened. Two really nice things. So I was cycling along and some guy came along cycling with me who watches my channel, Malcolm. So hi Malcolm, thank you so much for coming to ride with me. He rode for about 20k, which was just so nice, chatting and just riding along. And then I'm at the pit stop and nipped to the toilet inside and came out of the toilet, and then my mum and dad were stood there. Oh my God, I'm getting really upset. Not upset, like nice sad. And I was like, what are you doing here? And then my dad got upset. My mum was just like, oh, I've just come to cheer you on. They'd been out trying to find me on the road and they got like a banner, but they couldn't find me. I'd already gone past. I'm just do it quick. Only kidding. And so they just waited at the pit stop for me, and we just sat and had like a cup of tea, and it's just, it's so nice. It's just so nice. So I'm gonna go and spend some more time with them, and then I'm gonna head off. So just wanted to share that. It's just the nicest thing. And then my mum's made these like little bells I'll get to show me. They don't want to be on camera. I was like, do you want to be on the on the video? And they were like, oh no. And they put like a lovely thing on the back of the van, and just made my day. Absolutely just made my day. So yeah, I'm gonna go back and spend some more time with them. And look what they had on the back of the van. Go, Katie Kookaburra! And look, it's even got my number on it. I love it so much. Thanks, Mama. It's the end of another day, and that was possibly my most favourite day on a bike, maybe ever. My mum and dad there, honestly. And then Malcolm coming out as well, but my mum and dad driving 3 hours to come and try and cheer me on the route, and then meeting me at the like food stop was just, I bawled my eyes out so much. And then even when I said goodbye, I just started crying on the bike. So I was like, this is the nicest thing. And then actually they followed me on the end of that route, and then like stood in like a little lay-by and then cheered me on as I went past again. My heart is trying hard. I don't know why I keep getting so like teary on this, but I guess you just realise like how lovely people are, and that's what I was gonna say as well. Like again, like the shots that I've got today aren't like the best shots that I've ever taken, or like the footage isn't the best footage, and it's probably a little bit all over the place and a bit jumbled because of the weather and stuff like that. But just because I haven't, it's been dripped on. I thought I might have just been pooped on, but it's nice as water. But yeah, so even though like the footage isn't as amazing as I wanted it to be, this is going to sound really cheesy, but hey, you alright? Hi, just filming. But yeah, sorry. Yeah, it's going to probably sound a little bit cheesy, but the memories of that are just the best thing ever, and to have them there was just, I just can't believe it. And then the van, and so many people came up to me afterwards and were like, oh, we saw your support van, like how have you got a support vehicle, like laughing. I was like, oh, that was just my mum and dad coming to cheer me on. So yeah, so thanks mum and dad. They're watching all these videos, so just if actually they would love this, just tell them a little hello Katie's mum and dad in the comments. I would love it if you would do that. I don't ask much, but I think they would really like that, because they watch every one of these videos and are just like, we want to see what you're up to. So yeah, just say a little hello to them. So yeah, that is day 4 complete. Day 5 tomorrow. Yeah, the days are racking up, aren't they? They really are. It's going so fast. I'm just loving every single minute of it. I'm having so much fun. Just the best time. See you tomorrow for another instalment of Deloitte Ride Across Britain.